Alright, hey everybody, Gears here. Hey everybody, Gears here, and alright. So it turns out that these batteries are just about exactly the right height to support the shell, so that was a nice little surprise. This is pretty much ready, and I'm just about to put the Senton here in the shell for the first time. There's a couple last things I want to do. Add a couple LEDs. This thing's gonna light up. I've got a blinky yellowish red one. You might call it orange, but it's really yellowish red. And maybe some greens and some other little... I might even run some fiber optics in here, we'll see. But I've got some little CR2032 button cells on order, along with some plastic holders that I'm going to use. So right now, oh yeah, so one of the amongst the last things I need to do is, while the ends are secured for the braces, now it's just a matter of drilling through, the sides are not yet. So ideally I'm putting one here, one up there, one over here where those cross meet, one in here where those cross, one in the middle probably. So what I'm thinking of doing is, rather than going through the side directly, I might go down through this angle here, and then that may just be hidden by the plastic runner that goes across the face of this, which is one of those other things that I still need to do. But really, this is pretty much finished, so I'm essentially calling it done. And while this brace definitely helps out, it does not completely prevent warping going on. So you'll see there's still just a little bit of twisting, but it's definitely a lot more stable now, is what I'm thinking. But we'll see how that works out.